welcome back to day 17 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. My name is Chris O'Neill. I'm so glad you're here. I can't wait to see what day 17 brings. It's right here. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna find out right now. Okay, and I did make the cover thing. I'll talk about that, okay? All right, let's see. Okay, this is what I see. I don't know what it is. Jenny makes quilts so easy. Let's see what's inside. What is this? Oh, there's more stuff in there. It's a button. Uh-oh, it must talk. Okay, I think these are stickers. Okay, this needs batteries. Hang on, let me go get batteries and I'll meet you back here. Okay, y'all are gonna love this. Ready?
All quilters are peacemakers. Always press to the dark side. Never underestimate the power of a woman with a sewing machine.
Oh my goodness, I so need one of these, like with my own voice, because I would that would be so much fun. I could do all kinds of stuff. I could give one to my kids, you know.
Just take it one stitch at a time.
I love this. This is awesome. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Remember, finished is better than perfect.
I love this. This is so much fun. This is just, it's fun. I love it. It's not really useful other than to hear Jenny's voice, but oh, how cute is that? And then I think these are stickers. Or decal, oh wait. I don't know what, oh they are, they're stickers. Oh cute, I like these. So we have some stars, and they of course are all in the branding colors. And then this one says finish is better than, oh, it's all the stuff that she says. Take it one stitch at a time. All quilters are pieces. These are really cute. People are putting these on their sewing machines and stuff. Very cute. Love them. And there's how many stickers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, how cute. All right, just a fun gift, something to make you laugh. And that's what we all need to do, right? Let's talk about yesterday's items. So honestly, I wasn't thrilled about it. I was like, didn't really do anything for me. I did make it. I struggled a little bit with it, but I think with practice I would get better. Here it is. It doesn't quite fit, even though I followed the directions. So I needed to make that's my generator coming on, by the way. It's just doing a test mode, if you can hear it. So I needed to make this a little smaller. We're gonna wait for that to finish. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, that's done. All right, so yeah, and as far as the creases in this, one way to get that out, I wouldn't put an iron because of the vinyl, but you could heat up your ironing board and just rub this on it and it would take those out. But I did take a chunk and wash and dry it. Okay, so this is Splash Cotton, which is kind of cool. And if you Google it, it's a company and it is really neat. I wanted to see what would happen. It says that you can wash it. It doesn't say anything about drying it, but I wanted to see. I wanted to see what would happen. They do suggest spot cleaning it, but anyway, I washed it and I dried it and I put it just in with my regular laundry. It did not shrink. I measured it before and after, so it kept its size. It is in really good shape, maybe a teeny tiny bit of fraying, but nothing major. It's really nice fabric. I like it. I'm glad I tried it. And like I said, I just made this was my mistake. I made it a little too big. I did find another bowl. Here, I'll show you. It does fit this one really well. And it's cute. It would be great in a picnic basket. Say you were doing a gift for somebody, maybe did a picnic quilt, you could put these in. It would be a really wonderful item. So that brings us to the evaluation or value. Now, there's been a little bit, I guess, of controversy on this just because of Facebook groups or something. So I'm like reluctant to even give you a value, but I do want to say this, my little disclaimer. This is just according to me. I just Google stuff. Last year I went back and looked at some of the items and what I priced them at, and I was over by a lot, so I wrote down the differences. So the mug last year I said was 18, and it's on their website now for 15. Another one is the travel sewing kit. I said $20, and it's up there for 12. anything that is out there, it's really what you're going to pay for it. That's my opinion. So whatever the value or whatever is whatever you're willing to pay. If it's an exclusive item, or you say collect Chuck the Duck stuff, you might want to pay more. I don't know, that's up to you. But this is totally me just Googling stuff. I don't have any inside knowledge. Honestly, it's just doing a little bit of research, which we all could do. Another place to look is on eBay. I did a quick search on eBay, and that embroidery kit just sold, I think, yesterday or the day before or something. It was on December 15th. I don't even know what date it is. Today's the 17th, right? But I recorded the day before, so 16th, so it was yesterday. On the 15th, it sold for $12.99. So take with that what you will. Again, I'm not an expert at all, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead with my evaluation. So for the splash laminate, which is a little pricey, I figured out the square inch, okay, and how much it would cost. And I also figured out the elastic, and of course the patterns, I always put at $10. So I'm gonna say 16 for all of this. I forget the size, I can put it up on the screen. I'm not even sure if I wrote it down, but it is a small piece. And I think right now it's like $18 for a half yard on their website. So just keep that in mind. And again, I just do a little research. So I'm gonna say for yesterday's item, my opinion is $16. That brings our running total to $282.50 with a overage of $91.75. So we're doing really well. Again, just my opinion, totally my opinion on this. So just putting that out there. I wonder what Jenny has to say about it.
All quilters are peacemakers.
There you go. Perfect, Jenny. Thank you very much. That was a great way to end that segment. All right, let's guess day 18. Warning, warning, warning. I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna pick it up. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Ah, here it is. I think I know what this is. I'm pretty sure this is a charm pack. Oh, yay for fabric. Oh, I can't wait. I hope so. I hope that's what this is. It feels like it. It's the right size. Let's hope so. Okay. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.